Guys, this is Double A, and today I'm going to show you how to get a hack app for Pokemon Go. So first you want to go to Play Store, and then you want to search up a fake GPS joystick, and then you want to open it. It's going to say things about you have to trust it, so you just have to do it. Just trust the app, and then don't worry, this is not going to cost anything, you're not going to get banned or anything, but do this at your own risk, okay? I just do it because I want to show you how you guys do it. So all you just want to do is pick a location. You can pick New York, anywhere you want to go. You can go to China, anywhere. Just pick a location. I'm going to go right here. And then you want to go to settings. Put joystick on. Then you have to press start, but it's not restarted, it's a stop. And so then you open the Pokemon Go. And you should teleport back to the place that you wanted to go to. And on the bottom where you see the line. Oh my goodness. Onyx. Wow. So there you go. You can teleport all around. So you want to touch the Pokemon? Yeah. But on the bottom, that's the because